Hello students, good morning all of you. So today we have discussed the chapter number 13, that is 3 dimension, shortest distance between the two skew lines. We have considered two lines, let AB and CD are two skew lines. That is, R vector is equal to A1 plus lambda B1 vector, and R vector, that is A2 vector plus में lambda B2 vector as shown in figure. This is the AB line and this is CD lines. That is, draw a perpendicular PQ. PQ is the shortest distance between these two skew lines, that is B1 vector, B2 vector, A1 vector, A2 vector. So, how to calculate the shortest distance between these two lines? So, PQ is equal to magnitude of bracket A2 minus A1 vector dot product with B1 cross B2 vector divide magnitude of B1 cross B2 vector. Distance is always positive, so that's why we have taken the magnitude. Now, what is the dot product? Dot product between the same vector, that is 1. How to find the cross product between B1 and B2? So, question number first, R vector is equal to I plus J plus K vector plus में lambda into 2I minus J plus में K vector, and R vector is equal to 2I plus J minus K plus में mu into 3I minus 5J plus 2K unit vector. So how to find the shortest distance between these two lines? Firstly, we have to compare with the equation line of vector. So A1 plus में lambda B1 and R vector is equal to A2 plus में lambda B2. So A1 vector is equal to I plus J plus K vector. B1 vector is equal to 2I unit vector minus J unit vector plus K unit. And A2 vector, that is 2I plus J minus K unit vector. B2 vector, that is 3I minus 5J unit vector plus 2K unit vector. Firstly, we have to find the difference between A2 and A1. So, A2 minus A1, that is 2I minus I, that is I, J minus J, that is 0J, and minus K minus K, that is minus 2K unit vector. So, we have to find B1 cross B2 by using the help of determinant. Firstly, we have to write I, J and K. Now the coefficient of B1, that is 2 minus 1 plus 1, and B2 vector, that is 3 minus 5 2I. We have to find the determinant by expanding row 1. So I into first column or first row minimize minus 2 minus plus 5 minus J vector. Again the column and the row minimize 4 minus 3 plus K unit vector. Again minimize the third row and first column first. So 2 into minus 5 minus 10 and minus plus 3. So 3i minus j minus 7k unit vector. Now we have to find the shortest distance. Shortest distance, that is magnitude of a2 minus a1 dot product with b1 cross b2 vector divide by magnitude of b1 cross b2. So put these value in that equation. So a2 minus a1, that is I plus 0j minus 2k dot product with b1 cross b2. So b1 cross b2, 3i minus j minus 7k, and magnitude of b1 cross b2. So magnitude, that is 3 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 7 square, and complete magnitude. So I into 3i, that is 3, because we are doing dot product in vector form. So I into I 1, j into j 1, and k into k, that is 1. And 0 into something 0, minus 2k into minus 7k, that is plus 14, and k into k, that is 1. Divide by 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1, and minus 7 square is 49, and taken the square root. So 17 divided by 50, and this is 59, and taken the square. This is the shortest distance between these two skew.